How to fix lines on Android screen. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix lines on Android screen. So watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's get right into the video. If you are seeing random lines on your Android screen, this could be due to a variety of reasons. The most common causes are either a hardware issue or a temporary glitch. The first step I recommend is simply a reboot. For that, you need to hold on the power button, and after that, you will see restart option. Slide towards restart and reboot and restart your device. This will often resolve display issues. While this solution may not work for everyone, it's the quickest and easiest fix for many cases. If the lines persist after rebooting, it's likely a hardware issue. This could happen if your phone has been dropped or damaged. In such cases, you will need to contact your phone manufacturers like Google for a repair or replacement of the display. If the issue is intermittent, it may be software related. Check for any available system updates by navigating to your settings. So open settings on your device and then tap the search bar at top of the screen. Type in updates and then you will see all the list of updates among which you have to select software update. Tap on software update and once you land on this section, you simply need to install the latest update which would fix the issue. If the problem occurs only within specific apps, try updating or reinstalling the app causing the issue. This might resolve any conflicts between the app and your device. If you have further questions or thought, then you have to feel free to leave a comment. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.